Welcome to the Future Tech Lab, where innovation, creativity, and teamwork unite to build the world of tomorrow. In this high-energy corporate team-building experience, each team will step into the future by bringing smart technologies to life. Step 1. Get ready to build real, working models, such as smart bins that detect and manage waste, smart streetlights that respond to motion, smart parking systems, pollution detectors, motion sensors, and more. Step 2. With kits, tools, and easy-to-follow instructions, your team will imagine, build, and prototype breakthrough tech solutions, just like real-world engineers and innovators. But it doesn't stop there. The impact goes beyond the activity. Every model you create will be donated to an NGO, helping young minds learn, explore, and get inspired by future technology. It's a race against time. Collaboration, problem-solving, and creative thinking will be your winning formula. Watch your ideas take shape as they transform into real, functioning smart tech models.